kiama kia Azimio kuhetikira mutongoria wa aria anini bungeini ya gibũrũri Opiyo Wandayi ni matetetie thirikari ni undu wa ungumania uria urathi na mbere guku bũrũri-inĩ na gutiga Kenya na maithori undu uria macokete na kugia na umate maatho maria thirikari ikirite makurwa na ungumania makoretwo makiguna andu kiumbe undu uria uhotometie utonga wa guku bũrũri-inĩ.
With an unprecedented case of corruption in government and state capture by people in and out of government. This meeting was able to establish a clear case of laws being made with the sole aim of benefiting individuals and their businesses.
Undu uyu ni ucungiririe kambuni cia mabũrũri mangĩ kwaga kurutithania biashara na bũrũri wa Kenya ni undu wa ungumania, undu uria ucungiririe kambuni icio kuhingwo na guthamira mabũrũri mangĩ.
Involved in corruption, including bribery and open kickbacks. It's becoming very clear that unless firms willing to pay bribes and those with political godfathers high up in government, it is becoming very clear that only firms willing to pay bribes and those with political godfathers high up in government will remain and thrive in Kenya, while others close shop or relocate to neighboring countries.
Ona gukiri ugo ni moritie ruhonge rwa kurwa na ungumania EACC mathie na mbere na guthuthuria aria maraungumia mbeca cia muingi, undu uria wonanitie ministry ya ugima wa mwiri na hamwe na ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini nicio iri kamuhari ka mbe ungumania-ini.
Recently, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission listed the ministries of Interior, Health and Transport as the most corrupt. The survey showed that the size of the average bribe doubled in 2023. This meeting has called on EACC to go beyond releasing surveys.
Handini ohau ni ugite urehi wa fataithi ya maigirira guku bũrũri-inĩ niyo yacũngĩrĩirie ungumania makĩũria thirikari iyo itua.
We need bold action to make corruption an expensive affair for businesses and public officers. The meeting concluded that the case of fake fertilizer being distributed to farmers by none other than the government of Kenya is an ideal place to begin showcasing our commitment to fighting runaway corruption and state capture as a country. The case of fake fertilizer is, in our view, a case of economic sabotage and must be treated as such.
Handini ha Muthi TV, Gĩtũkĩng'ori wa Gatudu.